Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. Then again 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. Now 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct. This answer is wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, and also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question here is one division, here is one division, and also here is one division. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, so 20 divide 10 is equal to 2. Divide 20 divide 10. Now 2 divide 20 is equal to 2 upon 20 divide 10 is equal to, now 20 divide 2 is equal to 10 and 2 divide 2 is equal to 1. So 1 by 10. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this fraction 1 by 10 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this last fraction. 10 is equal to 1 by 10 is equal to 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. 10 multiply 10 is equal to 100. So the correct answer is 1 by 100. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.